This is a classic reborn. Step inside the luxury and hit the open. From the 60s.
To something else.
We keep the soul. The vintage bones are solid. Now for the luxury build. Perfect drive,
Classic soul, modern luxury.
but change everything else. Exactly, strip it down and rebuild it. Edit right.
Classic soul, modern luxury. Respect the lines.
Respect the lines, preserving every original curve. Lower stance. Starting the cut. Good. That's the perfect drop. Looks solid. Wait for it. Clean fitment. Let's get this combi ready. Prep looks good. I'll get the tools. Time for a fresh coat. Let's check the specs. Ready? Prep. Surface is looking clean and ready for the first coat. Applying the deep black glossy base coat now. This is going to look incredible. Mirror finish.
Inside matters.
The kitchen is fully functional. Watch this. The water's on. Fully ready. This warm lighting is perfect for evenings on the road. Warm atmosphere. Perfect finish. Look at this finish. Perfect. The interior is ready. A moving home. Let's take it for a spin. The Sunset Drive is perfect. A true luxury camper van. Let's go.
Timeless drive.
Anywhere is home. The ultimate road trip companion.